could come back. I'm just saying, make sure you have an attorney. Okay, well, that's all that's necessary.
I've said before, I wouldn't buy a house or a piece of property from my mother or my father unless I had an attorney go through it.
Yeah, you should have an attorney, because you never know what's somewhere stuck in somebody's file cabinet.
Yeah. If another thing you don't want to do, you got to watch these damn people. A lot of times, the seller will say, well, here's my attorney. Never do that. Have your own attorney.
Oh, yeah, don't, because he's working for him.
Exactly.
My goodness. Oh, here we go.
I like that stuff. I just hope this thing
Keeps snowballing now, Danny. I don't know whether it will or not, but I sure the hell hope it does.
Well, tonight was good, and I'm probably sorry I didn't watch the whole thing, because I really enjoyed the last 40 minutes of it.
Yeah. I just hope it snowballs.
Yeah.
I think you would have got mad, and the reason why I say you would have got mad, I was looking at the clock the whole time Obama was chatting, and sometimes he was chatting for 3 minutes, and they only gave Romney 1 minute.
I know he went over, and even the one time, he said, you took 5 seconds away from me, and he talked for a minute after that for the 5 seconds.
Oh, my. Yeah, he always said, like, when he was answering, and he knew the moderator was stopping him, he would put his hand up, and I got part 2, so he could keep talking.
But, see, that's what he's used to. He's used to having his way. That's the problem we have with him, is it's his way or no way.
His way is a speaker. I mean, he really is a good speaker, but the problem is Romney hit him on the, what he said. He said, look, you got 40-some thousand people or 40 million people out of work. There's only 47, so when you got there, you got 43 now. And then he just kept going on and on and on. And look, you doubled the national debt. And he just,
Hey, Glenn?
Yeah.
Well, Krauthammer, he gave it all to Romney, but he said he can bet on the next one that Obama's not going to look lethargic like he is tonight. He's going to have to come out hot and heavy, but he knows that he can fall behind because of this. I think the next one's on foreign, so he doesn't have much to stand on there either.
Oh, my.
they'll keep pushing us back to this, though. Don't worry.
Well, tonight was, economy and domestic stuff in general.
Yeah,
And I think the next one is on, foreign affairs, military, stuff like that. They did bring a little bit of that in. I thought Romney's Clinton was much better than Obama.
You'll hear him switching it up next time. He'll revert back to this.
Yeah. Well,
Romney just seems like he knows more about what's going on than the president does, period. That's what I said, Glenn. I've always given Obama credit for being intelligent, but they showed tonight he has no idea what's going on.
yeah, Glenn. I said to my wife, I want to see Cole come back. I want to do this and that. I said to my wife, I said, well, he just picked up guaranteed West Virginia and Southern Ohio.
And Kentucky.
Yeah.
Well, he has Southern Ohio. He just needs to get a northern up there around Cleveland.
Yeah, around the city here.
Hey, Warren. At the end of it, it come across the bottom of the screen on a banner. It said read first for him.
I'll be right back.
I only made one mistake there.
Yes, sir. No, I haven't. I think I found it in a bag. I think I got it on top of the, all right.
You read?
Yeah, Dan. Yeah, Dan.
Yeah, did you pick up on what Obama says when he was talking about helping the middle class? The reason he helped the auto workers is because they had pride. Bull crap, he helped the auto workers because they had the union. I mean, who's he trying to fool?
Yeah, he didn't bring that up. I noticed that.
Yeah, you think that guy putting the damn hubcaps on that damn Chevrolet up in Michigan has got pride? Hell no, he's looking for that paycheck and what that union can get him. Yeah, he ain't got no damn pride. That hubcap goes on wrong, it don't bother him.
Oh, guys, I'm on a warm-up.
Bye, Warren.
All right, Warren, it's kind of early to go to bed when we're discussing all that.
I'll be in the studio all day listening.
All right. Well, that must have been quiet hours. He disappeared.
You know the playback all anymore on the radio?
Oh, absolutely not.
Especially now with Obama not winning, they enjoy that.
Okay, she's a Republican.
Yeah, she's a Republican, yeah, right.
Big much style.
There you are, Clyde.
You can read everybody on camera.
Oh, Clyde. Go again, Danny Beth. I'll be right back. I gotta get my closer glasses here. I didn't bring them in from the other room.
Probably back.
Well, it's still 71.6 here, Clyde. It's warm.
It's warm here, too, Daddy. I've been sitting here watching the debate and sweating. End of summer, boy.
And that's good pneumonia water.
Well, I hope I don't require such a nasty old bug, but you never know.
Well, I hope I don't get it. That's the last thing I need. Yeah, but a lot of people die from pneumonia. A lot of people don't realize how serious pneumonia is.
That's that right. Drowning young Jesus, like.
For 17 days because
Well, we're glad you're still around.
You take the pneumonia shot now, right? Hey, Warren? Do you take the pneumonia shot?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta get my flu shot next week. I'm gonna go up there and get it.
I was in intensive care for 10 days that pneumonia, and then I spent 7 more days before they released me.
You didn't have that shot before?
Yeah, pneumonia. I got it back a year before I got the pneumonia.
That's a one-time deal.
You got that right.
Oh, Glenn Bob?
Hey there, Clyde the Glide.
How's everything down at Mechanicsville?
Okie dokie, sort of muggy.
Oh, I tell you, it's lovely weather, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Bye again.
right now it's 75 degrees outside.
I just got through saying it's 71.6 up here.
Yeah, and it's warm.
Only supposed to get to 82 tomorrow. Say 82?
It's all tomorrow, yeah. It's already 75.
You got far to go then when the sun comes up.
I know it. 64 in the mountains.
How much?
64.
That's warm.
It is this time of year, it says. Have you any more to eat?
Hey, Greg.
Ain't forecast for Winchester, Virginia for Sunday. High 55, low 39. Monday, high 58, low 37.
What is it tomorrow? 75?
81.
Okay. Like I said, pneumonia weather, boys.
Going to be going from that tank top to the sweatshirt the same weekend.
Same day.
When is it, 37? Well, I can't tell for sure. It says Monday night low, so I don't know if that means Monday into Tuesday or if that means the low left over from Sunday night. But it's only supposed to get up to 75 for a high on Sunday. Huh. That's good working with. That's cold. First time of year. I ain't working on Sunday class. No, not on Sunday. I was talking about those temperature and all that. Oh, they're calling for rain here tonight. Sunday. Oh my God, Sunday night, 45.
I have to light the heater off.
Yeah, well, your house is breaking in that.
Oh, no, I wish it was. I made the mistake. I didn't put vinyl siding on this house, look, boy. It's got that damn old wafer board stuff.
Yeah, mine will hold the heat for 3 or 4 days once it gets cold.
There's done, bro.
Okay, well, let's hold it. This is pretty good. I think you would enjoy it. It's old-fashioned, but I think I want to do it
This year, I'm going to put a door that leads upstairs. You know, years ago, Glenn, you hear from me with it. They had a door that you opened to walk upstairs, to go upstairs, and it was so you could heat just the lower portion during the day, open it up at night, and cool off. Well, I don't want to heat the upstairs. I'm not upstairs. Only time I go upstairs to take a bath, because I don't usually shower down here. There's no tub, and I like laying in the tub. But that's the only time I go upstairs. That's it. And I know it's old-fashioned, but I'm going to talk to Leon and see if I put a door down here.
I don't blame you if you just live in one part of the house, just heat that part.
Well, last year, I know it sounds awful cheap, but I took a blanket and I pinned it up in there, and it makes a hell of a difference on my heat bill.
Well, whatever works for you, Daddy. No matter if it's cheap or not, as long as it works.
Yeah. I mean, I'll use the heat pump till it gets down to 35. As soon as it gets to 35, I turn the propane on, and it's down here at like this level. That's the trouble with the trial level. I didn't like it, but Kathy did. That's why we got it. It's a bitch to heat.
Our heat pump works good, so I get down to about 27.
Well, mine does right to 35, but more 35 seems to be the magic number.
Yeah.
Let me pour this deep in case I missed it.
KR40. KR40.
Everyone, you're out. Yeah, I hate anybody recording this. I want to make sure they know who's talking.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Chambers, this is KR4DX Platinum, Bishop, Virginia, by the way.
Hallelujah, brother.
Radio Free Bishop.
So we haven't heard much out of Rubio and some of those other guys. I wish they would start.
It's a campaign drill. Well, I tell you what, I think Alan's going to take it, Glenn, if he don't make a mistake the next 2 weeks.
And there's got to be a place for Alan.
You're talking about for a senator?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I thought you were talking about Alan West down in Florida, the Congress.